Good medical morning. This is Watson from World's Greatest Medical, and today we're going to discuss if this image is real or fake. Before we get started, let's look at a few epidermoid cysts and dilated pores of Weiner.
What the
Still text.
cool. Ah.
Now, let's look at the image. It's actually from a series of images posted by Dr. Pimple Popper, YouTube's favorite, Dr. Sandra Lee. The dilated pore of Weiner is part of the 12 Pops of Christmas special on TLC. Stay tuned, as we'll put a link below as soon as it publishes. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell for notifications so you can keep up to date on all the interesting medical content out there. See you next time.
Hey folks, to get rid of blackheads and blemishes the right way, get a Comedone extractor kit. This one here is the best we could find. It has a high quality to price ratio. It's got solid steel instruments, a compact case for traveling, and a good variety of tools for all your needs, including a lancet for whiteheads. Using an extractor like this is the easiest and safest method, as it reduces the chances of scarring and secondary infection. Use the Amazon link below to get a kit of your very own.